Hey y'all, today we have Pam and she's gonna show us her 1969
Serro
Gaucho.
Scotty. Yeah.
It's a 15-footer. Do you have a name for it?
I call it the Casablanca just because, and you'll see why inside it. It's all white beadboard.
Look at her flower basket. And I love the polka dots on the outside. So, did you do the work yourself?
Yes, I did. I picked it up and it had, the whole ceiling was rotten, so I took the roof off and rebuilt the frame and put a new ceiling fan in, and yeah, just about everything. Ripped out the whole cooking area and rebuilt that.
All right, so you rock because you did this work yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so...
I love the curved edges in the sky. They're just so, it's just a clever way, I think.
Okay. Here we go. Look at this. Home sweet home. Oh, look at your countertop.
That is actually Wilson art, and I got it from Home Depot in a 4x6 sheet.
Wow.
And then I learned how to put laminate on.
Okay. And then your sink.
Mm-hmm. This is the whole area. Well, I rebuilt it.
You rebuilt it all.
But I wanted to echo this curve.
Yes.
That's so typical with the Scotties.
Right.
And so I just ran floor molding on edge and ran it into a channel.
Very nice. Okay, look at this. Look at her bed. It's so sweet. The whole camper is adorable. Oh my goodness.
It's hard to make that curve, but
You did.
every 6 1/4 inches I cut the beadboard. And now this is the beadboard wallpaper, actually.
Oh, it's
That's
wallpaper?
right there. Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Just to make that curve.
Right. And you found a heater.
Well, yeah, I did find a heater, and I did have an electrician help me put that in. Otherwise, I did the rest.
Okay. Let's see.
The bathroom.
And it's her bathroom. Look at her knob, guys. Look at that.
Now that's the original knob, but I just glued a little bit of
you
bling on it.
You added some bling.
A little bling with
Here
jeweler's
too.
glue.
Yes. Very nice. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
All right, and here in her bathroom, she has a picture. Who's in that picture?
My grandson.
Oh, sweet. And you did the wallpaper in here and stuff like that?
Mm-hmm. It just covers that original blue and white speckle.
Yes. Well, I think you did an awesome job
Thank you.
with it. It's beautiful.
It's my dollhouse, my little home away from home.
Yes. I'm sure you camp in it every chance you get.
I do. one of these are my other 2 campers.
Other 2? What? You have 2 other campers? What kind?
One other Scotty and a Wildcat.
Okay, what's your other Scotty?
My other Scotty's a 74, and that one I'm working on. I've got three sides off in them.
Is it a Gaucho too?
No, it's a little different. It's a Highlander.
Oh, it's a Highlander.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. They always say once you get one Scotty, you usually end up with another one.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for giving us that lovely tour, Pam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you guys on the road.